Good morning. I wanted to go over the physician query that is due this week assignment. So there's two different cases that you are going to review. I just wanted to give a couple hints on this, so students often struggle. So for the very first case, 322039, pay attention to the dehydration and look at her skin examination and ask yourself, do those signs or symptoms indicate dehydration? Another thing that is documented is that the patient was admitted to treat the dehydration and infectious gastroenteritis. So there needs to be some clarification on what the principal diagnosis is. So as you're reading that case, ask yourself those questions, and those are some things that you could ask the physician. Another thing on the next case study 328391. So your code that you will come up with, I can just tell you, is F0633. Read the instructional note and see what that says, as that's going to tell you why you would want to query the physician. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.